Hi, hello. Okay, this is weird. This is my first voiceover, but this is the neighborhood we stayed in at the time. This is me. I looked cute that day. I was in love with my hat, and I just kept looking at myself like this is borderline narcissistic. The number of videos that I have of that day of just my face. Then we finally arrived at the garden of the palace. Is it how you say that in English? Anyway, this is Pearl looking tiny next to a door, which never happens. I nearly fell. Yeah, didn't miss the shot though. Um, so we walked some more, and we arrived to this room with this model of the palace, which we actually didn't get to see. Flowers, trees. We actually took a break there and took some pictures. And we finally got to see, what's the name of that koi fish? They were so pretty. More shots of me blinded by the sun. And then we actually realized that the palace was not in the gardens, but outside, and we actually had to walk there. Unfortunately for us, we got lost in the park for probably more than 2 hours, and when we got out, the palace was closing its doors. We actually didn't get to see it. This is me again. When I tell you I have shots of myself that day, I felt pretty, so me again. I look cute but tired. Anyway, we're going to eat. Let's go. Pearl wanted to touch the grass to see if it was soft. It was not. basically walked a lot in Tokyo. Like, we were professional walkers. We just kept walking. I saw my man that day. I mean, in the shop, but you know. Wow. And then we walked some more. And that is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video.